Oh,
Like, did he still have a testicle or something, or they didn't get it?
good girl.
I'm like, I feel like when they go in, I had a time to go there. Yeah, I think there's something. I think that's what this is.